Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to return Amazon items. So first, you need to check eligibility and deadlines. Standard return window, most items sold and fulfilled by Amazon can be returned within 30 days from the delivery date. So non-refundable items include some items like digital product, gift cards, perishables, hazardous goods cannot be returned. So first things first, you need to log into your Amazon account and go to your orders. Now you have to locate the order and click return or replace items. Select the items and choose a reason. You can tap on change mind or defective. Then Amazon will offer return methods. Just follow the on-screen prompts. Now that you have clicked or selected the item, then you will see this. So why are you returning this? You can tap this arrow facing down to select the reason. For comments, this one is optional. And then once done, then you can now proceed. Tap on continue and Amazon will give you some options on how to basically return your item. You can adjust the payment method and also you can adjust or set new location or address if you have. So that's how easy it is to return Amazon items. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.